So let's say for an example, so after writing the first program, others will be nothing, right? First 10 even numbers. So you have to start from number, so let's say number 2. And so that's all. Start from number 2 and run this. You will get first 10 even numbers because after 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, likewise. Yeah. If you start from 2, then you will simply get even numbers. Nothing. Start from 2, will get even numbers. Because start from 1, you got odd numbers. If you start from 2, you got even numbers. That's all. So if you're done with the first one, the next will be nothing. And what about first 10 square numbers? You can start from 1 and square numbers can be taken by, so start from 1, this num1, and you can print the num, and num can be taken by C into C. C into C. So this first time it's 1, second time is 2 into 2, third time is 3 into 3. Likewise, you can print the square numbers. I'm not going to give the answers. I'm just showing that's easy. Then 1 to 100 will be printed. So, okay, no need to copy that, right? You have to try. Now, there's a way. There's a way. What you have to do is you have to try. Okay, so with that, so I'm going to stop for today. I'll keep this as a homework. So, it's very easy, right? So you can just watch the video if you want, but I don't think that we can publish it before next week, but I'll try my best. But no need to watch that. You can do this. You can try this, right? Try this. Do this alone. So no need to write the pseudocode flowchart. Just try the code first. And then after that, you can write the pseudocode. So, but normally the correct way is writing the pseudocode or flowchart first. Then only you write the program code. That is the correct way. But just to enjoy, you can write the code first. Just write the code and you will get different answers. So sometimes you will get unexpected answers. So try with those answers. Try and error. Try and error. Try and so try. So then you will get the results. Try hard. So that can be done. Okay, with that, we'll talk in next week because still I'm having the same issue, still here thundering and continuous rain. So because it's not good to not cancel actually, it's not good to give the video recording. That's why I just continue, but with some difficulties. So, but still the previous, the 2021, the video one will be really useful. If you couldn't finish it, watch it now, finish it, because it's very important. The practical part is one of the practical part is covered there, the devices used in networking. So please try this, and IP addressing is a very important lesson. So watch it 2-3 times, and if you have questions, next day you can ask from me. I'll answer that question. Next day I'll do a small revision before we begin. We'll do a small revision that is related to 2021 class, not this, right? So again, for this also I'll do the revision and also do the paper discussion, or sorry, question discussion next day. Okay, try this and send this to me. Then I'll correct your mistakes. If you get mistakes, that means you are doing. ඔයගලන්ට errors එනවා කියලා මට නිකන් WhatsApp එකක් කරේ આવොත් මම දන්නවා you are doing that. So then I really love that. I'll really help when I'm free. Okay then, good night. See you all next week.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Good night. Bye.